Alright, good evening Year 7. This is the last of 9 videos on quality control at Aran Furniture for your exam on Friday. Alright, so if the question came up on Friday, what methods can be used to manage quality of goods produced by Aran Furniture, what would you say? Well, the generic answer would be quality control, quality assurance, or total quality management, of which you studied all three. The current quality assurance process is quality control, so the quality is measured at the end of the process, whereas a shift to from job to batch production, the quality could be measured at all stages in the process, which is quality assurance, and total quality management could give people the responsibility for checking the quality of their own work before they pass it to the next stage. So it could quite easily shift from quality control to quality assurance and throw in a bit of total quality management for good measure. Remember, total quality management is all about continual improvement. So, quality control is when the finished products are checked. The products are checked against set standards that the business sets. And the products are checked by trained quality inspectors. And that's currently what's in place at Aran Furniture. The advantages of quality control are that it's easy to operate. It's okay for bespoke items that are made to order, because the inspectors of the quality are specifically trained in what's needed to produce those quality products as they probably make them. Disadvantages of quality control are an error in production would not be spotted until the end of the process and not early enough to correct it, so lots of waste. And individuals do not take responsibility for their own work. They perceive it as somebody else's job to check for quality. Again, potentially very wasteful. Whereas quality assurance checks are built into the production process at all stages. So all staff are encouraged to get involved in checking for defects in the work that they see and the work they work on before they send the work off to the next section in the process. The aim is to get the product right first time, every time, and that process is sometimes referred to as zero defects or no mistakes approach. Advantages of quality assurance. Quite clearly, everybody has responsibility for quality. As a result of that, the empowerment to get people to check their own work can motivate workers. Production errors are spotted early, so costs are not incurred, in fact they're reduced. And if successfully introduced, it could easily result in zero defect production. Obvious disadvantages are all staff need to be committed to quality, identifying mistakes and thinking about solutions. But it might have a cost implication in terms of training staff and changes to production that need to be introduced, which Aran Furniture are considering. Taking that one step further, the introduction of total quality management is an approach to quality assurance which develops a quality culture throughout the entire business, and each worker then treats the next person in the production process as if they were an external customer from a quality viewpoint. Once you go down a quality improvement or total quality management process, you're really looking at focusing on continual improvement, on making everything better all the time, and that becomes quite a cultural shift. So, if you had the question on Friday, how does Aran Furniture Limited currently manage quality, or how could it improve this, bearing in mind it is planning on changing production methods, you're going to need to come up with some thoughts about that, and maybe send me an email with your answer. Well done, you did that in 5 minutes.